Hello everyone to another video. Are you looking for a property that is affordable, high quality, and close to the beach? If your answer is yes, keep on watching. So friends, we come to the area of Kestel. For those who don't know where Kestel is or what it is, it's a very peaceful as well as a lovely area. What do I mean by lovely? Well, all the streets are aligned with each other, and if you know Alanya or Mahmutlar or any other district, everywhere is just so mixed up, and it's very unorganized and planned. Well, unplanned or not planned, basically. So this project, this area is totally different. All the streets are aligned with each other and everything, and it's just amazing because there's a lovely breeze coming through from the Taurus Mountains behind me. Also, I want to mention the benefits of living in this area. Well, you're 5 kilometers away from the Alanya city center and around 5 kilometers away from Mahmutlar city center. Also, if you're coming from abroad, it is very convenient as Antalya International Airport is only 120 kilometers and Gazi Pasha Airport is only 30 kilometers, I assume. So it's like a 30-40 minutes drive. So before we move towards the apartment, I just want to mention that could you please follow us from our social media platforms and please subscribe to our channel. Starting from the pool, it's one of the most peaceful experiences as there are not many people passing by. Also, if you purchase this apartment, you get the privilege of having a pool view at your disposal. In the winter, you also get a communal jacuzzi in the same apartment block, a hammam with a private section at the back, and a steam room. Moving on, there is also a massage room for 2 people, yet if you want to use this, you have to hire your own masseuse. Lastly, there is a gym near all these facilities. Even though it doesn't look like much, people who exercise regularly will know it will do the job. Moving on to the apartment, we enter towards the hall and greeted towards the bedroom with large windows, complementing the sunlight. Looking from another angle, you can see that the ceramics have a small natural form immersing with the white theme of the house. If you want to buy an air conditioning, which is a must in Alanya, you can fit it on top of the door. The bathroom could be more spacious, yet it has a sleek and clean design that also continues on here. Towards the living room, we are greeted to an American-style kitchen with glossy grey MDF cabinets and a white granite work surface. Imagine yourself as you prepare a nice meal and you look back to enjoy the sunlight and the partial sea view you get from this apartment. Well folks, that's all we have for today. We really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms. Before we end the video, I just want to mention that we will have 2 recommended videos that will be here and here. And please make sure to watch them and see you guys in the next property.